those numbers. Now, turn point to earnings and a couple of companies joining in. Firstly, Kaplan Labs. The margins have been steady state, PAT up 27% and sales were up about 21%. And Mr. Vivek Parthiban, he's the CEO of Kaplan Point Labs, joins us right now on the show to talk about the numbers and a couple of other news flows as well. Good having you, Vivek. Thanks so much for joining in. Sales and profit northwards of 20% growth for both of these, 21 and 27% respectively. Where does the main growth come for you as a company?
Even now, emerging markets is where most of our revenues are coming from. Over 90% of our revenues are still coming in from Latin America. And in the next couple of years, we see the same trend going forward because our regulated market entry is probably going to be in the next 24 months. So emerging markets will be where most of our earnings will be coming from in the next couple of years.
You've got a US FDA approval or ANDA approval for injectables. How large is that? Because US ultimately is the biggest generic market in the world.
Actually, we have filed our first ANDA, and this triggers the inspection hopefully over the next 6 to 9 months. We have not yet received an approval. The process is when you submit the first ANDA and then you pay the GDUFA fees, which we will be doing by next month. That will trigger the inspection. We hope that it will happen sometime during the end of this year or early next year.
You would be filing under Para 4 is my understanding, right?
This is not a Para 4. This is a molecule that's already off patent.
Okay, this is not Para 4. Okay. What is your current exposure to the US generic market?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
What is your current exposure to the US generic market?
We have not yet entered the regulated markets. Even the US, we have not yet entered. See, how it happens is you file the dossier and then it triggers the inspection. Post-inspection, the dossier gets cleared. Sometimes it takes 18 to 36 months. We don't know exactly. But recently we find that the number of ANDAs that get approved in 2015-16 has been increasing. So hopefully, I think in about 24 months on an average, I think we should be entering the US market.
There is a lot of volatility in emerging market currencies, especially LATAM currencies, given how the world is moving. So what is the plan in place to hedge yourself?
2-3 things. See, first of all, almost all of our exports are based on advances, number one. And number two, the markets where we are present right now, Central American and some South American markets, we have not seen too much of a volatility in the dollar. In fact, a couple of countries where we're operating, the local currency itself is US dollars. And apart from that, we have quite a large outsourced manufacturing in China, which creates a natural hedge because it's technically like imports only because we pay in US dollars.
Just very quickly, leave us with the guidance for FY17 as a year.
We will continue to grow at about 20 to 25% like the last couple of years. I don't see too much of a change in that.
Okay, 20 to 25% growth, both top line, bottom line. Good numbers, Vivek. Thanks so much for joining in. All the best with the US inspection as well. Maybe 6 to 9 months. Hopefully, you get there sooner.
Thank you. Thanks.
That's Kaplan Point. Speaking on the numbers, steady state numbers, 20-25% growth. The management believes they can do that for the rest of the year as well.